In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Deezer Music Bot in Telegram. By the end, you'll know how to find music, stream it right inside Telegram, download tracks for later, and even build simple playlists you can return to any time. Start by opening the Telegram app and using the search bar at the top. Type at Deezer Music Bot. Then select the official profile from the results and tap Start to activate it. This opens a chat with the bot and lets it respond to your requests. From here, you can use it in two handy ways: directly in the bot chat, or inline from any chat or group without switching conversations. To search and play directly in the bot chat, simply type what you are looking for: an artist name, a song title, or an album, and send it. The bot will return a list of matches. When you see the track you want, select it and tap the play button to start streaming. Playback happens right in Telegram, so you can pause, skip within the track, and keep browsing while the music continues. Inline search is great when you are chatting with friends. In any chat, type at Deezer Music Bot followed by a space and your query, like a song title or artist. A panel of results will appear for you, and only after you pick one will it post to the chat. Choose the track you want, then tap play to stream it immediately. If you prefer to keep a copy, open the Tracks menu options and select Download. Telegram will save the file so you can listen even when you are offline, and you'll find it later in your saved messages or the chat where you downloaded it. The bot also lets you create simple playlists for easy access later. Just send songs to the bot chat to build your own collection. Over time, this becomes a personal library you can return to whenever you want to replay favorites without searching again. A few quick tips to get better results: be specific with your searches by including both artist and song title, or add the album name if there are multiple versions. If you are on mobile data, consider streaming on Wi-Fi to save bandwidth, and download only what you'll need offline to keep storage under control. And as always, enjoy music responsibly and follow your local rules around sharing and downloading. That's it. Thanks for watching.